Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial in which we will be making this elbow. So let's start. First, select File, click on New, select Part here and then click OK. Now select the front plane, click on Sketch option and here select the circle and make a circle at this origin. Now select the Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of the circle as 2000 millimeter. And now click on the circle and make it as construction geometry. And now we have to select the center line. From here select this center line from this point to this origin, and from this origin to this point or quadrant make the center lines. And now select the trim entities, select this trim to closest option and trim the circle like this. Simply check this box, select a line and make a horizontal line. Make sure it is at 180 degree. And then press the escape button. Now select the line command again, and from this point to this point make a vertical line. Make sure it is at 90 degree. Now select this line and press the control button, then select this line and make relation as equal. Now select the line command again and this time make an inclined line. Press the escape button, select this line, press the control button, select this curve and make relation as tangent. Now select the line command again. From this point to this point make a line, and again select this line, select this curve and make relation as tangent again. Finally select this line one more time from this point to this point, make a line, and similarly select this point, this curve, press the control button, make sure avoid it, and make relation as tangent. Now we have to make some other relations. For that select this line, all of these three inclined lines. Make sure you have pressed the control button and here make the relation as equal. So now all of these three inclined lines have equal relations, which means that they have equal length. Okay, and now just exit the sketch, select this top plane. In my case this is this plane. Click on this plane and click on sketch option, make a circle at this point. Let me show you. You have to make the circle at this point. Okay, now specify the diameter by using the Smart Dimensioning tool. Specify the diameter as 750 millimeter. Okay, and now simply exit the sketch and then go to features, select this swept boss command, and in this very first window we have to select this circle. Let me select it for you. And in this second window we have to select this line. And now we are left with one more thing. This is a solid elbow. We have to make a hollow one. For that we have to select this shell command. Here we have to specify 10 mm for thickness. Then in this window select this face and this face. These two faces are selected in this window, and here select show the preview option and then simply check this box. Now change the background and here apply some appearance to it. You can apply any appearance. I'm applying in this metal, in this nickel, this first one. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.